So what you do is you go here and you click embed. So the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to install the header code. So I'm going to copy the header code. You only have to install the header code once. So once you install the header code, all of your Flodesk forms will work. You don't have to keep installing it. And so what you're going to do is you come over to your website, and it's in different places on different websites. Sometimes you might see it under settings if you have a header footer plugin. A lot of the times it'll be under appearance, customize. You might see something called header footer. Now it's not this header right here. That header is customizing your header, like your visual header. The header or the head section in your blog is code that is unseen that helps run things on your website. I know it's a little confusing. So instead, come over here to appearance, and you're going to go to customize. And sometimes you just have to kind of search for it. A lot of times it's under theme settings, header footer scripts. And so you'll come up here under head and just scroll down. You'll see things like Pinterest tags and Google Analytics. Just go down to the bottom, paste it, publish, and you're done with that. You only have to install that once. Then where you want it to appear, you grab what's called the inline code. So I'm going to copy the inline code. Go to the page that I want it to appear. And in this case, I'm going to click Edit with Elementor, that you can paste this really anywhere on your website. So in this case, I'm going to add a new column here. And I'm going to go up to the elements, and I'm going to search for the HTML element. I'm just going to paste my code there. I'm going to click Update. I'm going to go ahead and preview my changes. There's the form. And here's just a quick note. I'm going to show you also how you would embed the form if you were just working on a regular poster page. So I've just added a new post that I'm going to call delete. And basically all you have to do is get the form there, is just go to the text editor, and you're just going to paste your form. And I'm going to click Save Draft. I'm not going to publish this. I don't want it to be live, but you could publish it. I'm going to click Preview. And the form is there. And then if you were on the block editor, I'm going to delete this, which I recommend using. So I'm going to switch to the block editor. I'm removing the classic block. I'm just going to click Add, search for custom HTML. I'm going to paste it. I'm just going to click Preview, and it should look pretty much the same. And there it is. Excellent.